Nungu Candy is the mother company. Zeli is the first brand. That's our flagship brand within Nungu Candy. With time, we will produce many other brands under Nungu Candy. We saw a gap in the market that is very saturated of coming up with products that in the long run we can innovate to be unique products that resonate with people in the townships. Sweets is a very good market. In the market that we are very well versed in, we work a lot with schools. At schools, sweets are the biggest sellers. So we needed to get our product in there. We come with very authentic brands. We bring authenticity to the table. To bring a brand that is vibrant, that is very township, that is very expressive, and that is Zeli. But besides that, even the activities that we do within the township space is unique to us. No other sweets that compete with us pretty much does what we do and get involved in the way that we get involved in the townships. We've got our motto, which is lift as we rise. We're not big yet, but we're already starting to do a lot of lifting.